4-in-1 dedicated solution, unrivaled access and control, up to 35 Nm of torque. This is the most versatile power tools designed by Milwaukee. Alright, let's unbox. User guide, charger, 2.0 battery, hex attachment, keyless jack, right angle attachment, offset attachment, and finally the installation drill driver. The 4 interchangeable heads provide maximum versatility. Each attachment connects in 16 different positions for access at almost every angle. These unique features combined with the tool's compact size and weight allow you to maneuver the multi-head drill driver for maximum versatility as well as best access to hard-to-reach places, which make installation application in electrical, cabinet installation, automotive, HVAC, MRO, and remodeling much easier. If you have the need for multiple drills but only want to buy one, the M12 installation drill driver is your best choice, so get yours now.